Another Monarch Bay sale just hit $10 million, but what's fascinating is what's happening next. Today we've got new builds, ocean views, and a market that's tightening as rates quietly shift lower. Let's jump in. The high sale of the week this week is 129 Monarch Bay Drive in Dana Point. It's a gorgeous property with 200 degrees of ocean view, coastline, and Catalina, and its absolutely stunning views are ready for a brand new home. That's right, the owner just bought it, and the rumor has it is they're currently interviewing architects and about to submit to rebuild a great estate on that lot. It was a special sale, which mirrors several of the sales we've had in recent months. In fact, if we jump back just to August 1st, the high sale of the week that week was 12 Monarch Bay Drive that sold also for $10 million and had incredible views. Rumor has it that they've already made it through HOA approval in just 2.5 months, utilizing an up-and-coming architectural talent here in Orange County by the name of Dustin Morris with EO Design. It's safe to say that Monarch Bay lots with views sell for at least $10 million right now, and it is buzzing with redevelopment. It's exciting to see what that neighborhood's going to become over the next 2 years. Let's jump into the beach cities numbers that matter. And again, beach cities we define as Dana Point, San Clemente, San Juan Capistrano, and Laguna Niguel. This week's inventory fell by one home down to 473 active listings on the market. That's how many homes you can look at if you're currently in the market across all price points here in the beach cities. The demand represented by in escrow homes grew by 3 homes to 169 homes that are currently in escrow in the beach cities. And so things are heating up. That gives us a total month supply of 3.71 months right now. So in 3.71 months at the rate that we're currently selling, that's how long it would take for all of the properties to be gone and there to be nothing left. This week, the average dollars per square foot sale in beach cities grew to $859 per foot with an average of 44 days on market. Now, when we look, and those are the sold, so when we look at the active inventory, however, it's priced right now at $1,011 per square foot and has an average of 76 days on market. So it's really a tale of two markets right now. Homes that are priced appropriately are selling quickly and getting snatched up. Homes that are priced aspirationally are sitting on the market longer, and buyers are waiting for their prices to come down before making any offers. Let's take a look at the economy and mortgage rates. Jerome Powell just walked back his statement where just a few weeks ago he said that zero job growth would be appropriate and is close to our break-even point. Today he said that number is closer to 50,000 jobs per month. Between that statement and then also the change in tune from a few months ago where he said that the unemployment's low, the job economy is strong, the change in tune that we've seen in the last couple months are indicative that we're likely going to get our 2 rate cuts before the end of the year, which will put further pressure on the mortgage rates. Already this week, we're at 6.27%, which is down a little bit from last week. And so we're seeing that the bond market is already pricing in a lot of those rate cuts and things that are anticipated, but that rates are really staying steady and slowly dropping down right now. Some of that is due to the government shutdown because we have less reporting to cause things to change. So we're going to see, I would expect, rates hold steady and slowly drip down through the end of the year. The big change will probably come towards May or June when we have a new Fed president and Trump is able to put some pressure on that new Fed president to get us lower interest rates. But the good news is that we're headed in the right direction and we're probably going to see that continue over the next few months. This week's deal of the week is 32182 Sea Island Drive, which is up Monarch Bay Terrace. It's one of the premier neighborhoods in Dana Point that gives you the highest elevation point to give you total coastline views. It's a stunning home. It's listed at $5,188,000. If you have any questions on it or want to have a private tour, let me know. It's worth seeing and it's not going to last long. That wraps up this week's Beach Cities Market Update. If you're thinking about buying or selling or just keeping tabs on the coastal market, hit the like button, subscribe, and follow along, or reach out if you'd like a private tour of this week's featured home. I'll see you next week.